Alright guys, I wanted to do one last review with you guys before your quiz on Monday. It's going to go over AR verbs and the verb gustat. So that's what your quiz will be on. Okay, so those two things. Just make sure that you guys study the endings. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some together just so you guys have an idea of what to do. Okay, so the first thing in conjugating or changing a verb is to drop the ending. So if we look here, we're going to drop the ending, which is AR, and we're going to add the new ending. So the new ending for yo, I listed your endings here. The new ending for yo would be an O. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Okay, for number 2, first step, we drop the ending and we add the new ending. And the ending for tú is AS. Okay. For number 3, well, let's go over the meaning for number 2. Number 2 says, tú miras la televisión. So that means you watch TV. Number 3, we're going to drop the ending. My subject is Lucia, which is going to fall under ella. And my ending would be in A. Okay, then you have usted necesitar una pluma. So I need to change that. I'm going to drop the AR, and usted, él, and ella all have the same endings. Remember that. So I didn't do one for él, but I did one for ella and usted. Okay, so the same ending as Lucia, which is an A. Okay, so usted necesita una pluma. You need a pencil. Sorry, not a pencil. You need a pen. Okay, pluma is pen. Alright, number 5. First thing we do, drop the ending. Okay, nosotros, the ending for nosotros would be AMOS. Okay, so now we're going to add the new ending. Nosotros bailamos muy bien. We dance very well. You guys should know these sentences and understand these sentences because this is all vocab that you guys have. Okay, so make sure you're studying your vocabulary. Okay, number 6. Ellos, we're going to drop the ending. Okay, and the last ending that we have is AN. So we're going to add the new ending. Ellos desayunan en la casa. They have breakfast at their house or at the house. Okay. Number 7. Juan y Pablo. Okay, drop the ending. That's still going to fall under the same category as ellos. Okay, because Juan and Pablo, if I wanted to replace that with the pronoun, I would say they. And ellos is they in Spanish. So it has the same ending, which is AN. And it says, Juan y Pablo cenan en el restaurante. So Juan and Pablo have dinner at the restaurant. And lastly, you have ustedes. So we will drop the ending. So remember, ellos, ellas, and ustedes have the same ending. So my ending would still be AN. Okay? So it says, ustedes estudian para la prueba. So you all study for the quiz. Okay, so hopefully you guys do that over the weekend, study. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to send me a remind. Don't wait till the last minute. Okay, so this is a review for AR. So moving on to Gustar. Okay, remember that Gustar has 2 endings only. Okay, so it ends in an A if it's singular, so like one like, and it's plural, it ends in AN. Okay, so I gave you guys some examples. And remember with these, we don't use these pronouns. We use the indirect object pronouns, which is me, te, le, nos, and les. Okay, so again, anytime we're conjugating, changing a verb, we're going to drop the ending first. Okay, if I look at this sentence, it says me blank La universidad. Okay, so how many things do I like? If we look at this, it's saying la universidad. It's singular. It's only one. So my ending is going to be A. So I like the university. Number 2. First thing that we do, drop the ending. So if we look at what it is that we like, it says la pizza. So we know that pizza is singular. So it's going to be an A. Le gusta la pizza. So he or she likes pizza. Moving on down. Again, drop the AR. So what is it that this person likes? It says de blank las galletas. Okay, if we look at this article makes it plural. Notice the ending has an S. So I know that my plural ending is going to be AN. Okay, so we're going to add the new ending. And that says, te gustan las galletas. So you like cookies. And finally, the last one, we're going to drop that ending. We're going to look at what it is that we like. And it's las hamburguesas. So we like hamburgers. So that's plural. So my ending would be AN. Okay? If you guys have any questions, please make sure to send me an email, send me a reminder with your questions, okay? So make sure that you guys study your endings. Look at your foldable that I gave you. Study your foldable. Study use the links that I give you for you to study. You'll have Quizlet, you'll have Conjuguemos. You'll have several ways to practice and study for your test on Monday, okay? So like I said, if you guys have any questions, please make sure to send me an email or remind. Preferably a remind because I get those quicker than an email.